guys, welcome to Sundown on Depot Dos. This is a rain date. This is the makeup for earlier in the year, and on top of that, for me personally, I had to work. Surprising, I don't know if they've done this before, but they made a rain date even though they already had the show, made a rain date, and now, well, here we are today. So right now, it looks like cars are kind of trying to load into downtown. Not a lot right now, but we could see some stuff later on. The show just started. We'll see if anybody else will come. I'm just glad it's happening today because I really want to see the show. Come join me and we will see some very cool cars. The show has always just been getting bigger every year, and the variety of cars coming in has been absolutely amazing. If you guys enjoy, want to see some more car shows, please continue to hit that like and subscribe button. We're close to 1,000 subscribers, so let's get to it, guys. And as always, guys, thank you guys for tuning in, and let's go have some fun. All right, guys, we are back in the car. It is hot. Oh my gosh, that was kind of a struggle. Mainly, I put on some sunscreen to make sure I didn't get sunburnt, because I get easily sunburned. And then when I was, let me put it this way, I sweat really bad. So when I sweat really bad, plus you got sunscreen, it got all over my eyes, and it was just not a fun experience. So I had to wipe my eyes for 5 seconds. Oh my gosh, that was, ugh. Car show itself was really good. I really enjoyed that. Glad I got to go to Sundown on Depot after the initial one got rained. I wouldn't say rained out, but it got hampered due to rain. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see like pictures or anything like that, click the links down below to my social media accounts. I'll have pictures on Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, all that kind of fun stuff. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please continue to hit that like, subscribe button. Guys, as always, appreciative. I'm ready to kind of just lay down. I love car shows, but man, when it's hot, my goodness, it's hard to get the energy to do it, right? Until the next car show, guys, take care, God bless, and as always, have a good one.